Greetings everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to download iOS 15 beta using 3uTools, and if you update using this method, it will not result in any data loss. So let's go ahead. First of all, open 3u.com and download the latest version of 3uTools for Windows. You will also need iTunes. Download iTunes from the official Apple's website and not from the Microsoft Store. When you have installed these two things, now guys, open 3uTools and connect your iPhone via USB. You can see that it is on 15.0 beta because I have updated it using this method without data loss. So now click on Flash and JB and you will see in the Easy Flash section that there is the 15.0 beta. Alright. If you can't see it in this list, please click on refresh and eventually you will see the 15.0 beta. Now to update to it without losing data, just select the firmware and select this radio button that says retain users data. Now download the IPSW and then click on flash and it will update your iPhone to 15.0. If you want to downgrade to like currently 14.6 is signed at the time of making this video, or any firmware that is signed, you can watch the link in the description of a video that will guide you through the steps to downgrade from a beta firmware to the official release without data loss. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and I will reply you as soon. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.